In the demanding world of finance, precision, efficiency, and seamless data flow are not just desirable, they are absolutely essential. From tracking budgets and managing expenses to forecasting revenue and ensuring compliance, financial professionals juggle a multitude of tasks that often involve various software tools. This is where the power of integrations comes into play, turning disparate applications into a cohesive and automated ecosystem. When evaluating a project management platform like ClickUp from a finance management perspective, a crucial question arises. How active is ClickUp in terms of integrations? The answer, in short, is very active and increasingly so. ClickUp has made a significant commitment to its integration capabilities, understanding that no single tool can be everything to everyone. For finance management, this extensive integration network is a game changer, allowing financial data and workflows to flow smoothly between ClickUp and other specialized financial applications. Think of it this way: a well-integrated system is like a perfectly synchronized orchestra. Each instrument, software tool, plays its part, but together they create a harmonious and powerful performance. Without integration, it's like having talented musicians playing different tunes in isolation, chaotic and ineffective. Direct integrations, the native connections. ClickUp offers a growing number of direct or native integrations with popular tools. While the list for accounting-specific software is still developing compared to some industry-focused solutions, ClickUp has been consistently adding more direct connections. For instance, ClickUp has a direct sync integration with QuickBooks Online, available on Business Plus and Enterprise plans. This is a significant step for financial teams, as it allows for two-way syncing of customers and one-way syncing of products, services, and invoices from QuickBooks to ClickUp. This means you can see and manage accounting-related tasks and information right within your ClickUp workspace, reducing the need to constantly switch between platforms. Beyond direct accounting software, ClickUp also boasts native integrations with a broad range of other tools that significantly impact financial workflows. These include communication platforms. Integrations with tools like Slack and Microsoft Teams allow financial teams to quickly turn discussions into actionable tasks, assign responsibilities, and keep everyone informed on budget approvals, payment statuses, or financial report deadlines. Cloud storage. Connections with Google Drive and Dropbox mean financial documents, contracts, invoices, and audit trails can be directly attached to relevant tasks in ClickUp. This centralizes important files, ensuring everyone has access to the latest versions and reducing the risk of working with outdated information. Calendar tools. Syncing with Google Calendar ensures that financial deadlines like tax filing dates, payroll cycles, or quarterly reporting are visible alongside other project tasks, helping finance teams stay on top of critical timelines. Time tracking. While ClickUp has its own time tracking, it also integrates with popular third-party time tracking tools like Harvest and EverHour. This is vital for finance teams who need to track billable hours for clients, allocate costs to specific projects, or analyze time spent on various financial activities to improve efficiency and profitability. The power of third-party connectors, Zapier and Make. Where ClickUp truly shines in terms of integration breadth is through its strong ties with third-party automation platforms like Zapier and Make, formerly Integromat. These platforms act as powerful bridges, connecting ClickUp to thousands of other applications, even those without direct native integrations. For finance management, this opens up a world of possibilities. Connecting with accounting software. If your business uses accounting software other than QuickBooks Online, such as Xero, Zoho Books, or even specialized ERP systems, Zapier or Make can facilitate connections. For example, you could set up a Zap to automatically create a task in ClickUp when a new invoice is generated in your accounting software, or when a payment is received. Conversely, you could trigger an invoice creation in your accounting software when a task in ClickUp reaches a payment approved status. Expense management automation. Integrate with expense management tools like Expensify. When a new expense report is submitted in Expensify, a task can be automatically created in ClickUp for review and approval, streamlining the reimbursement process. CRM integration. Connect with CRM platforms like Salesforce or HubSpot. When a new sales opportunity is created in your CRM, A task can be automatically generated in ClickUp to allocate resources or track projected revenue. This helps align sales efforts with financial planning. Payment processing. While ClickUp isn't a payment processor, you can use Zapier to connect it with platforms like Stripe. For instance, a new payment received in Stripe could trigger a task in ClickUp to update a client's financial record or to initiate follow-up actions. Reporting and analytics. Export ClickUp data directly to Google Sheets or other business intelligence tools for more in-depth financial analysis and custom reporting. This helps in tracking financial metrics, identifying trends, and presenting financial performance clearly.